Finally, the tokenomics and listing date for the Woof token from the Lost Dogs airdrop have been revealed. This airdrop has caught a lot of attention since it's affiliated with Notcoin, and there are high expectations for its token after the listing. Since the token distribution method has been quite unique, I felt it was necessary to make this video for you. Together, we'll explore how much this token could be worth after listing and how much we might receive from this airdrop. So I'd be happy if you stay with me until the end of the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest airdrops and news. According to this official announcement shared by Lost Dogs in their Telegram channel, the total supply of the project's tokens is 18 billion. In comparison, Notcoin has a supply of 100 billion tokens. However, comparing these two projects isn't quite fair since their only similarity is having the same founder. Among all the airdrops that have listed their tokens recently, Lost Dogs doesn't resemble any of them, so we can't use any of those projects as a benchmark for comparison here. The listing date for Lost Dogs is January 14. Regarding the tokenomics, there's a very positive aspect worth mentioning. 83% of the tokens will be distributed to users. Out of this 83%, 70% will go to in-game players, and the remaining 10% will be allocated to NFT holders. The snapshot for the NFTs was taken a few days ago, and the tokens have already been distributed. If you were one of the NFT holders, your tokens have been credited to your in-game account, and you can check the balance in the mini-app. Additionally, 3% of the tokens are reserved for Notcoin players. However, it's unclear whether they will be distributed through the Notcoin mini-app or the Earn mini-app. There's a chance it might be through the Earn bot, where you could receive tokens by holding Notcoin or TON tokens. A very positive point is that there are no locks on the tokens. You can withdraw and sell them immediately after receiving them. Now, let's break down how much profit we could potentially make from this airdrop. Since the total supply is 18 billion tokens, if we check CoinMarketCap and compare it with recently listed airdrops, for example, Notcoin has a market cap of $700 million. However, it's unlikely that Lost Dogs will reach that valuation. Looking at Major's market cap, which is around $50 million, I estimate that the lowest possible market cap for Lost Dogs would also be around $50 million. Based on this, the token price would be around 0.27 cents, which seems quite low and unrealistic. However, with a $100 million market cap, the price would be approximately 0.055 per token. Based on various polls in multiple channels, it seems the average user will receive around 10,000 tokens. Multiplying that amount by the estimated price gives a total of $55 per user. Considering how easy this airdrop was to participate in, that's a decent reward. In conclusion, I expect the market cap for this project to stabilize around $100 million. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, goodbye.